Welcome to AC/DC EV electric vehicles. The power revolution has arrived in the kart world, bringing invaluable retail opportunities. We are electrifying the kart world. Edward Monfort, the master builder, is the mastermind behind AC/DC EV. As an EV pioneer for over 16 years with 7 worldwide patents, he has challenged the auto industry and is now coming for the golf cart cartel. Say goodbye to spaghetti wiring with thousands of points of failure. The future is radical simplicity with our proprietary interface boxes, which unify communications and low-voltage systems. This plug-and-play solution requires no engineering degree. The demand for power is immense. Over 1 million existing carts need conversion. Lithium-ion is rapidly capturing the market, and the DIY retrofit revolution is underway, contributing to a $2.5 billion market, growing at 12.1% CAGR. Existing competitors, the markup monsters, trap great lithium technology behind walled gardens with massive price markups. They sell you the battery and then own the cart, but there is a better way. The AC/DC EV 51.2 volts power core uses premium LiFePO4 chemistry, offering 4,000 to 6,000 cycle life and 200A continuous output. It provides the same energy and power as premium systems with zero dealer markup and an open architecture, all for $1,800 retail. The secret of the lithium cartel is that the underlying chemistry is identical. Competitors' performance is equivalent, and modular architecture is the same. Why are they charging $700 more? You are paying for their logo, not better technology. The comparison shows AC/DC EV's advantage. Our core tech is the same, but the retail price is significantly lower. We offer a universal open key architecture. AC/DC EV is the undisputed champion of value. We don't just build batteries, we build the machines that house them. Our 100-mile flagship model is the longest range golf cart in the world. With a 76 volts /230 Ah battery and 17.5 kilowatt-hours capacity, it offers unmatched performance and an unbeatable price of $17,000. The solar standard changes the rules of the road. While competition charges thousands more, AC/DC EV provides a fully equipped solar charging 4-seater for just $8,500. This includes a lithium battery, solar roof, and DOT-approved safety gear. Join the league and tap into the financial engine. By eliminating OEM middlemen, AC/DC EV secures a massive margin. Partners can earn an average profit of $500 per battery unit, seizing the opportunity in the retrofit and DIY markets. The Florida Fortress is strategically positioned in the #1 state for street-legal golf cart culture. Our base of operations in Clearwater, Florida, is the epicenter of the lithium conversion wave. Come see the revolution in person. The revolution won't wait. Claim your power. Partner with us. Pre-order a vehicle and see the technology in action on YouTube. Contact us today to learn more.